Objective number 8, know how to use Hess's law of summation to find change in enthalpy. The two questions you need to ask yourself when you look at the equations is, do you need to flip any equation to match your desired equation? So you're looking for products or reactants in the equations given to you that match your desired equation. If you have to flip, then you have to switch. And you need to increase or decrease the moles that are used in the equations given. So as I look at the desired equation of HCl plus NH3 gives me NH4Cl, pay attention to the state signs. Those can be important as well. When I look at my first equation, HCl could be important to me, but it appears to be twice as much as what I need. So it looks like I might have to flip and cut this in half. And then the second equation, NH3, again is important to me, but it looks like I'm going to have to flip it and cut it in half. And then finally, N2 plus 4H2 plus Cl2, none of that seems to be helpful, but the NH4Cl does. Now, in every case, I have double what I want, so I could either cut all these equations by half before I add them up, or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and flip this one and leave it. 2HCl yields H2 plus Cl2, and I'm going to flip the sign to positive 184. Second equation, I'm also going to flip 2NH3 yields N2 plus 3H2. And again, I'm going to flip the sign to positive 92. And then the last one, I don't need to flip. N2 plus 4H2 plus Cl2 yields 2NH4Cl. And so that stays at negative 628. And when I go to add these, if I look at the things I can cancel out, I've got 2HCl I'm going to want, plus the 2NH3 I'm also going to want. The N2 cancels over here. The 4H2 cancels in two places. The Cl2 cancels, and I'm left with the 2NH4Cl. And if I go ahead and add up my values here, 184 plus 92 minus the 628, I get a negative 352, and then I can just cut this whole thing in half. 1, 1, 1, divide by 2, and it should be negative 176 kilojoules per mole for my enthalpy.